Hi everyone, I'm Nicola from the Graves Retreat and I'm going to talk to you about the new Dermalogica Hyaluronic Ceramide mist. This is their toner. So you've pre-cleansed, you've used your prescribed cleanser, your skin's nice and clean, you maybe have exfoliated your skin and done a nice mask as well. You've dried your skin off, it's all nice and fresh, and then you're going to use your toner. So this toner is really hydrating. So it feels like a really big drink to your skin. So your skin will love this one. So if you're dehydrated, dry, you need that extra moisture, this is the one for you. So you're going to spritz your skin from about 30 centimetres away. Spritz over, don't forget neck and chest area. I love this one. I do love the Hydramist as well, but I use both now because I love both of them. And the best way to get it to penetrate is you basically just pat it into your skin like this. This one's really hydrating and really brightening as well, so it's really nice. Pat it in, and then your favourite serum and moisturiser that you apply over the top will go in further, go for longer, and be hydrated and absorbed better after you've toned. All right, there'll be more information about this mist underneath. Thanks for watching. Bye.